Artwork fly.
For those of you who have been with me for a long time, I showed you my prayer journal, etc., and all the details. Go back and watch those videos. For the new persons, now I am showing you my new way of doing prayer journaling. At first, I only wanted one book for everything, but now I decided I wanted different books for different things. Reason being, I've been learning so much, and I think I need different books for different things. Not to mention the prayer journal that I made before. The leaves were coming out because it was folder leaves, and everybody knows that folder leaves can be easily torn out. So that is a part of it, guys. So as you can see, these are the books that I'm working with, and I label them with that sticker thing to know what I'm going to put in each. I've decided to keep everything pink or use pastel colors for anything that I'm going to use for prayer journaling. So therefore, some of these books will be wrapped in a pink paper, guys. Yes, this is just to keep the aesthetic going for the video and for my peace of mind. Pink was once my favorite color, but God has delivered me from that. I was so obsessed with pink at one point in my life, but now I'm delivered. Now I go with pastel colors. My most favorite pastel colors now is like a turquoise tone, so I really like that. Some of these books are for drawing and doodling. Some of the scriptures that I read about, one of them is for fasting and prayer. One of them is to create like a list. That long book there is to just create like a list. Another one is just for wisdom and knowledge and understanding that I gain from watching different spiritual videos. I have been learning a lot about the Bible, chapters in the Bible, the spiritual realm, and Jesus Christ. So therefore, I believe I need a different book for that. That right there is my old journal with the prayer hands. So, and I also collect stickers. I am a big sticker collector of butterflies. And I will be starting a sticker collection with my favorite fish, which is the betta fish, for those who were watching my channel from a long time ago. And I also love birds. I love things that fly. Obviously, it's artwork fly, and I explained in one of my videos recently the reason why I like these things. So you can go back and watch that video.
Sketches turn to masterpieces. In your hands, the magic ceases. Every line and every curve gives your art the shape it deserves. Fly with art up to the sky. With each creation we can try. Success in every hue and cry. Together we are artwork fly. Hands that guide and hearts that feel. Through the struggle, through the zeal. Every painting tells a story of the journey to your glory. Shadows dance and highlights sing. From the deepest soul we bring a vision clear for all to see. Your art will set your spirit free. Fly with art up to the sky. With each creation we can try. Success in every hue and cry. Together we are artwork fly.
This is my old prayer journal, guys, and see, as you open it, a page flew out. So that is what I'm talking about. The pages are falling out. So I definitely want different books for different things now. I really appreciate when everything is in one book, but my gosh, this was so heavy and I've learned so much, and this have gotten its fair share of everything basically. So yes, I want to change this out, and there's my list. I'm gonna rewrite them in my new book, neat and clean, in that one there. I'm gonna write them in that one. So whenever I just want the list only, I just pull out that little book there. So it's not all the time I'm gonna want everything in one book. So as I grow, I learn, and my mind change over time. But this book served me well. I'm not lying, it was used. Alright, guys. For those who are new, I painted the front of it and also the back part of this journal here.
Each creation we can try. Success in every hue and cry. Together we are artwork fly.
And these guys are all the pages that came out of the journal. All of those pages there, they either came out of the journal or I'm supposed to put them in the journal and I haven't gotten to do that. So I have all of these extra leaves and extra pages just all about the place. I want to make them, I want to put them in my different books now. So this is what I'm talking about, guys. I'm gonna wrap them in this pink wrapping paper. As time goes by, guys, you will see what I do to each book and what I've written in them. So stay tuned for that. These prayer journaling sessions will be for persons who like to prayer journal, who like to see doodlings and drawings based off Bible stories. It's just gonna be like a quiet notation taking. So if you don't want to watch this video, it's fine, just skip through, go to the CSEC visual arts videos or the other art videos, it's fine, okay? But this is one of my passion, and that's just it. This right here is my prayer journaling pencil cases. So this is what I have in them. In one case is like pencils, markers and stuff like that, and in another one is like stickers, small books, posters, etc. So I have like my hand sanitizer, washi tapes, a flashlight, I have my little oil bottle there, my glue, my pencils, my pens, batteries for the flashlight, my different highlighters, my whiteout is there, my stick glue is also there. One day I might do a bit more detailing on that. I even have a small stapler in that. In here I have my paintbrush holder, I have a paint, I have some stickers, also different small books and papers there. I have my small Bible around the back. I also have some sticky notes. So basically mostly paper related materials are in this one here. With each creation we can try. Success in every hue and cry. Together we are artwork fly. In this one I have my crayon pencils and a few big markers that could not hold in the pencil case that you see there. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.